Nobody is watching your videos, and the reason has nothing to do with your content, your editing, or your delivery. It is the keyword. Choose the wrong one and your video is invisible forever. Choose the right one and a brand new channel with 0 subscriber can show up on page 1. I'm going to show you exactly how to find the right one for completely free in this video. My name is Francis and I want to challenge the way you currently think about making YouTube videos. Because if you're picking topics before you pick keywords, everything I'm about to show you is going to feel like switching the light on for the first time. Let's go. Step 1. Start with what your viewer is already typing, not what you want to talk about. Here is why most beginners go wrong. They turn off the topic they want to cover and then they search for it. That is completely backward. The right approach is to find what your viewer is already typing into YouTube and make a video about that instead. Here is how to do it for free. Open YouTube right now and type your topic into the search bar. For me, I'll type affiliate marketing. Look at what just happened without pressing enter. YouTube is already showing me a list of real search that real people have typed in recently. Every single suggestion you see here is a real keyword with real search volume behind it. I'm going to write down every single one of these down because this drop down is not random. YouTube is showing me exactly what people in my niche are searching for it right now. And that list is my free keyword research starting point. Before you move to step 2, open YouTube right now, type your niche into the search bar and write down every suggestion that appears. Do not skip, that list is gold. Step 2, the alphabet tree. And this is the part that most creators never think to do. After you type your main topic into the search bar, add a single letter after it. Start with A, then B, then C, all the way through the alphabet. Each time you add a letter, YouTube shows you a completely different set of real keyword suggestions. Let me show you exactly what I mean. Look at all these different keywords that just appear. Every single one has people searching for it. See how completely different those are. Whole new setup of keywords that nobody else is targeting. And again, completely different. I'm going to keep doing this all the way through the alphabet. And by the time I finish, I will have dozens of real low competition keyword ideas, all completely free, all coming directly from YouTube on data. You do not need to do all 26 letters every time. Even going through 10 letters give you more video ideas that you can film in the next 2 months. Do this for every topic in your niche and you will never run out of content ideas again. Step 3. Before you commit to any keyword, check the competition first. Because finding a keyword is only half the job. The second half is making sure you can actually rank for it. Here is exactly what to look for. Take one of the keywords you just found and search it on YouTube. Then check 3 specific things about the top 5 videos. Okay, so here's what I am looking at right now, 3 things. First, view counts. How many views do the top videos have? If most of them have millions of views, the keyword is too competitive for a new channel. I am looking for top videos with moderate views, tens of thousands, not millions. Second, subscribe count on each channel. If every channels in the top 5 have hundreds of thousands of subscribers, they have too much authority to compete with right now. I want to see smaller channel ranking because that tells me a new channel like mine has a real chance. Third, how old are the videos? If the top results are all from the last 6 months, the keyword is active and worth targeting. If they are all from 5 years ago and still dominating, that niche might be too saturated. This keyword I just searched, what do you see? Is it competitive or is there an opening? That is the question you ask about every single keyword before you film anything. Step 4. Use VidIQ free to confirm your keyword before you commit to it. VidIQ is a free browser extension you can install directly into Chrome, and what makes it genuinely powerful is that it shows you 2 critical numbers simultaneously. How many people are searching for a keyword every single month and how many competitive that keyword is right now. Both numbers together tells you exactly which keyword are worth your time and which one to skip completely. Let me show you exactly what it looks like. See what just appeared on the side here. VidIQ is showing me 2 things at the same time. The search volume for this keyword, meaning how many real people are typing this into YouTube every month, and the competition score, meaning how hard it is for a new channel to rank for it. I want this number, the search volume, to be as high as possible, and I want this number, the competitive score, to be as low as possible. High search volume, low competition. That combination is the green light to make my video. Now look at the second keyword, completely different numbers. The search volume is lower, but the competition is also significantly lower. For a brand new channel with low subscriber, this second keyword is actually the smarter choice because I have a realistic chance of ranking for it right now. The first keyword might be worth targeting later when my channel has more authority. That is the power of VidIQ. It does not tell you a keyword is competitive. It gives you the specific number to make a smart decision about which keywords to target at your exact stage of channel growth. Free to install, take 2 minutes to set up, link is in the description. Step 5. Build a keyword bank. That is for separate creators who always know what to make next for creators who stare at a blank screen every week wondering what to upload. A keyword bank is just a simple Google Docs where you store every good keyword you find. Every time the alphabet tree surfaces a promising keyword, add it. Every time VidIQ shows you high search volume combined with low competition, add it. Over time, that documents become your entire content key ladder. Let me show you mine. This is my actual keyword bank right now. Every keyword in here passed the competition. Check from step 3 and got strong numbers from VidIQ. High search volume, low competition. Every single one of this is a video I can make knowing it has a real chance of ranking on page 1 for a new channel. See this one here, these are the one I am planning to make next. Low competition, real search volume, targeted directly at the exact audience I am trying to reach. This document is one of the most valuable things on my entire computer, and it started with the completely free methods. The structured system that helped me understand how keyword research fit into a complete affiliate marketing strategy, rather than just doing it in isolation, is in the description below. It is what I personally follow every single week. Worth checking out when you're ready. Before you close this video, do one thing right now. Open YouTube, type your niche into search bar. Do not press enter. Write down every suggestion that appears. Then do the alphabet treats. Add A, write down suggestions. Add B, write down suggestion. All the way through as many letters as you have time for. By the time you finish, you will have more video ideas than you can film in the next 3 months. All based on real search data, all completely free. This is your homework. Do it today, not tomorrow, not this weekend, today. And when you find a keywords that excite you, drop it in the comment below. I will personally tell you whether I think it is worth targeting. I am Francis, new videos every week. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.